Hey guys, welcome to another video on this series. Um, so I did something. It's not pretty yet, but it will be, and I think it'll be great. I just expanded my house a little bit, like this, and I mean, I would ask you to tell me your thoughts, but nobody's really watching these videos, and I hope they do. But as of now, I have no viewers. Posting so much so that viewers who actually possibly might want to watch do have a lot to go off of, so that they don't get bored or anything. Although my videos are very boring anyway, so no, I can't make that. Um, for now I'm just gonna stay flat roof, but once I'm done with this, I can go check on the crops that we planted a while ago. Hold on, there's lag. Okay, I'm gonna keep the roof how it is. It looks like it's nighttime already. I cleared out a little bit over there, but I got some shears and I got leaves galore now. So I'm just gonna sleep for now, and then we'll work on the roof over there because you could see that it was quite open. Here first, let me place down some torches. It's dark in here. I'm also gonna get some windows. Over here will be my room. So I'm gonna go back over on the roof and do that. And then we'll make windows. Well, I said that we would go get the crops, but I really like windows. Oh jeez. Oh shoot. Maybe this will be mine. I don't know. I think this will be the storage room. It's very small. I actually need a bigger one. I don't know. Are you kidding me? I don't have enough. Gonna go get more really quick. There's a large tree over there. I'm not gonna be able to get that. Just get some over here. Okay. Set that. No! These are for the floors, by the way. Oh jeez. I was so happy too about all my wood. Gotta go get more. Here. Okay. Now let's go back on the roof and do it again. Hopefully with no lag. but already there has been a lot. Ugh, dang it. I am so good at doing roofs. I just get blocks everywhere, but where I want them. Okay. Oh, I don't have an axe. I really like my iron axes. Oops. Just so you know. Well, I mean, that's a type of axe. Pickaxe. I like pickaxes, especially iron ones. They're nice. I haven't even used my diamonds yet. There's a perfect amount for either diamonds or iron, but I'm not gonna waste it on, wait, what? There's a perfect amount for either an axe or a pickaxe, but I'm not gonna waste it on an axe. Oh, wow. That was luck. Okay. Actually, there we go. Okay, now we'll get the chests and do that, but we gotta check on the crops because I've said that I would do it every single minute on this video, dude. I'm pretty sure they're full grown, so we're probably gonna have to go get those. Make a door. Yeah, I like birch doors, a lot. Okay, probably use my axe. Okay, we'll close this off too. Oh yeah, I'm sure you noticed by now, but I also did cover up that creeper blow up spot right in front of my house. The lag. Okay. Perfect. Too many doors. You know what? I actually kind of want to do something. There we go. And I want these. Oh, geez, I hate it when that happens. Okay, and then we need this door. Perfect. Okay. What? Where'd this door go? Oh, jeez. Okay, let's go find the crops, and then that's probably going to be the last thing that we do in this video because it's only got 5 minutes left. Approximately. No, of course I don't have my help. Okay, whatever. So this is it. It's actually growing very well. Just gonna snag all that. and then plant it all back once it stops lagging. Dude, I keep on pressing A to move over, but it won't work. I can't tell if it's full grown or not sometimes. I like the old wheat texture. Oh wait, this is the old wheat. Is it? I don't know. Oh, jeez. I like the one where it's like it actually kind of looks like wheat, not just stringy beans. That way I can tell when it's fully grown or not. But oh my gosh, there's so many extra seeds. But yeah, that's about it. I thought that would take much longer. Oh, I kind of want to look over here at the sugar cane too. Yeah, it's growing nicely. It looks nice. Gonna have to break it some way. Oh jeez. What? I've tried so hard not to pick those white flowers, but ended up doing it anyway. Just gonna go under here. Oh my gosh. I can't have lag underwater, bro. I know it takes longer underwater, but still. And there's possibility of drowning. Okay. And then we can go back under and do it again because I'm not the smartest. I just don't want it to look obvious that I've been harvesting it. But, I mean, it kind of already does, so. I have 23. I don't know if that's enough. That's my dad, by the way. Alright, I think we're just gonna... Oh, well, I might as well just make paths out of that. Okay, let's do this thing. Okay, what do I want? That kind of looks weird. Maybe... this. Oh, that would kind of look cool. Right there. Perfect, a ginormous hole in my... Oh, oops. Oh my gosh. My inventory is so full. I need to... I'll organize it on off camera, but... What am I... Okay, I gotta hurry. Video's almost over. Oh, I put more than that. Yeah. Okay, wait for that to smelt, and then I'll put it here. I don't want mobs in my house. Okay, and then can do another. Oh no, my flower! Alright, bye guys. See you in the next video.